everybody. So today I have a mini lesson for you on arguments and claims, and we are going to go over the very basics to get us started. It's kind of like laying the foundation for you. So it has your vocabulary words that you need, and then it also has all of the definitions. So we're going to go over words like argument and claim and evidence and relevant evidence and counterclaims. So you have that basic knowledge of what these words mean and why they are important. So without further ado, was that awkward? I feel awkward. Anyway, so without further ado, here it is. All right, hello, my English language arts friends. This is Miss Kepley here, and today we're going to be looking at how to evaluate arguments and claims in informational text. So first, let's look at why we're doing this. So arguments and claims. What we're going to be looking today is about how to learn how to question and critique an author. So what that means is we're going to read from a skeptical position. In fact, skeptical means we're not easily convinced. So the author is going to try to get us to believe their side or believe what they're saying. And we're going to be like, wait, hold up. Is what they're saying true? Do we believe exactly what they're putting out there? And so we're going to evaluate arguments and claims and evidence to see if we kind of jive with it, if we agree with it. So first, what is an argument? Now, I know you're thinking, I have arguments with my brother or sister or family members all the time, but that's not what we're exactly talking about. An argument today, what we're looking at, is when the author expresses a point of view and then supports that view with evidence. In order to do so, they have to have a claim. Now, a claim is when the author states their main point, and they believe this statement to be true. And so a claim is based on the author's knowledge and research, so it can seem like an opinion since it's arguable. In fact, it has to be arguable in order to be a claim. So I can claim that Twinkies are the best snack food out there. And it seems like an opinion because it is, but it's also a claim because it's arguable, because other people would disagree with that. Okay, on the flip side, let's look at counterclaim. Counter means opposite, and it's just the opposite viewpoint of the author's claim. And the funny thing is, these are also provable and supported by reasons and evidence. So, if I said Twinkies are the best snack food out there, a counterclaim would be, no, they're not the best snack food out there. Cliff Energy bars are the best snack food out there. But authors mention counterclaims so they can disprove it with their own reasons and evidence. So I would say, I know you think Cliff bars are the best snack food out there because they are healthy and provide you with lots of energy. But I can say, hey, I hear you. That's great. But did you know that Twinkies have less fat in them than energy Cliff bars? So they might even be a little bit more healthier than the Cliff Energy bars. I don't know. I'm just throwing that out there, but those are counterclaims. So we bring them up in order to disprove it with your own reasons and evidence. So they can't just like put this stuff out there, their claims. They have to back it up with evidence. And evidence is facts, examples, statistics, quotes, and expert opinions used to support an argument. In addition, they use conflicting evidence that works to disprove the author's viewpoint. The author does this to dispel opposing arguments and strengthen their viewpoint. So, let's look at the components of an argument. First, we have the claim, and it answers the question, what does the author think? Then we have reasons, why the author thinks this. And finally, we're going to look at evidence, which answers the question, how does the author support their case? So these are all the vocabulary words that we're going to be using when we dive deep into some arguments and claims articles coming up. All right, so that's it. That is the basics of arguments and claims. So you can take these words if you would like. There is a quizzes link in the bottom in the description so you can practice these words. Also, if you would like a little bit more practice, there is a link to this lesson below. It has the slides that you just went over. It also has 2 articles that you can read with your class, and we can practice finding arguments and claims and relevant evidence. In addition, if you like this kind of stuff that we have, then I have a ELA Unlimited site where you can just download the lessons as you need them. It's like Netflix for teachers is what I like to say. You go in and click what your standard is, and then you can download what you need. So I hope this was helpful. Click the like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you next time.